Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to learn how to switch from Instagram business account to personal account. Now that's quite simple. From the home menu, you tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open up your settings. And then you scroll all the way down until you see business tools and controls. Tap on it. Then you tap on, after scrolling down, tap on switch account type. And you can see switch to personal account. Tap on it. Now if you switch to personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all your content, including your promotions. You also lose access to Meta business tools such as Meta Business Suite and Ads Manager. So if you still insist on switching, then click on switch to personal account. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.